Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In this video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Samsung. So let me take you to their website, which is samsung.com. You can come to their website and you can explore all about them. But still, the question is, who doesn't know about Samsung? You might be using their products here or there, isn't it? Still, I'm going to talk a bit about them. So Samsung is a global technology company and is renowned for its innovative and high quality products. It offers a wide range of devices such as smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, televisions, home appliances, and audio equipments. You can explore all these products that you see here. And not just that, as I said, you can come to the website. You can, if you like any product, just end up buying that too. Why not to have a convenient life? But this is not why we are here. We are not here to spend money, but rather we are here to get some money from Samsung. Can we do that? Yes, definitely. We can join the affiliate program of Samsung. When we join the affiliate program of Samsung, we can start promoting them to our traffic, to our users, followers, subscribers. And when they would make the purchase using our tracking link, we would be entitled to get some commission from Samsung. So that's how it works. The question is, how do you join the affiliate program of Samsung? So let me take you to the website called avon.com. Now, why Avon? And what is Avon? Avon is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. And affiliate marketing networks, they work like as a mediator between brands and affiliates. So in our case, we are affiliates and Samsung is brand. Now, whenever we want to join the affiliate program of brands like Samsung, we have to join the respective affiliate networks as well. Since Samsung is part of Avon affiliate marketing network, so we have to join Avon as an affiliate. The question is, how do we join Avon as an affiliate? So on Avon's platform, they call affiliates as publisher. And to join them as a publisher or affiliate, you can click on sign up and go through with the registration process. And I understand it's not as easy as it looks, sign up registration may be complex, and that's true for Evan as well. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Evan. Just follow the instruction from the video. You'll find the video link in the video description. Click on the video link, just follow the instruction from there and get yourself an affiliate account with Avon. And let's say you already have an account with them, or you follow the instruction and you ended up creating an account. In that case, you can click on login, which should then take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your email address and password, click on login, which should then take you to something called affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. So this is the place where you would be able to interact with different brands, including Samsung. You could apply it to the affiliate program. First, you can explore, apply to the affiliate program, get yourself tracking link, start promoting them, and you would be able to see performance later on as well. So the question is, how do you find the affiliate program of Samsung? For that, you can hover over advertisers. Now, why advertisers? Within Avon platform, they call brands as advertisers or merchants. So don't get confused. Advertisers are, it's just another name for brands. So when you hover over advertisers, you can click on join programs, which will take you to this page. Over here, you have to ensure that you have selected all these from the regions from the left hand side. This way you would be able to see all the programs that are available for different brands. In any case, over here within not join, you would be able to see not just Samsung, you would be able to see many different brands, and you can explore these brands, apply to them, and start promoting them as well. But that's not why we are here. We are here to find the affiliate program of Samsung. For that, within this section, search advertisers, you can type in Samsung and click on this icon, and this will allow you to see all the different programs of Samsung. So you got for each region, and as you can say, so depending on your region, and what if you don't find your region in here, then probably the traffic. So in my case, I'm from India and I do not see Samsung IN. What about the second page? You can also try to find some the affiliate program related to your region. So if I go to the second page, if I try to search, I don't see for India. I could go to the third page as well, and I can try searching. So once you have found the program per your region, or if you don't find the program per your region, then probably per your traffic. So since I have most of my traffic coming from USA or Canada, then I might be applying to this affiliate program. In your case, depending on your region, you can click on the name accordingly to get more details of the affiliate program. So I'm just going to click on Samsung Canada. You can click on the region that's more suited to you per your location or per your traffic. When you do that, you'll be taken to something called merchant profile. Here you would be able to see all the details about the specific brand or merchant, you may call it, about them, why to join the affiliate program, and the benefits. And you would also be able to see the contact information just in case if you have to reach out to them in the future for XYZ reason. And then on the left hand side, you would be able to see more information. You can read through it. But the important thing is the document section. So when you click on documents, over here, you would be able to see the terms and conditions that you can download. You can read it because this is very important. When you will be joining the affiliate program of any brand, you should ensure to read the terms and conditions to know what you can do and what you can't do. Then comes program terms. This is also very important. This is also, a glimpse of what you can do and what you can't. You can read through the general instructions. You can go to PPC, transactions, branding, notice periods, publishers, especially the publisher section. It will tell you like which publishers they're open to the affiliate program for. So you can read through all this information and see that, okay, whether you're good suited for them or not. And also the other instructions to ensure you don't do what they do not allow you to do. And then comes your performance. When you click on the performance, you would be able to see how well they're performing within Avon as advertiser. So this is how you can explore about the merchant or the affiliate program. And once you have read it all, you could probably go back to the same page where we were exploring them. And once you're here, the next question is, how about the commission rate? How much will you be getting when you will apply to the affiliate program of Samsung and start promoting them? So for that, you have to click on this coin icon in front of the respective region that you choose. So when you click on the coin icon, it will take you to something like this. Over here, you would be able to see different commission rates. Since I clicked on the coin icon for Canada, I could see for each category between 1 to 4% commission rate. In your case, for each region, the commission rate could differ. So in my case, if I apply to the affiliate program Canada, I may get anywhere between 1 to 4% depending on the category of the products that people will end up buying. So this is how you would know, but minimum they're providing 1% and to a maximum of 4% depending on the category. So let's say you read it all and you like the details, you like the commission rate, then how can you apply to the affiliate program? For that, you can click on the plus sign in front of the region that you decide. And when you do that, you would be able to see this screen. You can read through the general instructions here, scroll till down and ensure you have read it all. And then on the promotion section, you can select and click on content, and you can select the promotional type. So when you will be creating an account with Avon, it will ask you to give the promotional type. Promotional types are basically your online presence. So in my case, I'm just going to select my YouTube channel in here. In your case, whatever the promotional type you want to select, you can do that. But ensure whatever you're selecting here, you'll be getting the approval for that promotional type only. So select it accordingly. And then you have to write a message. Now, this is also very important because when you will click on join, your application to the team of Samsung would go. They will review the details and they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. So ensure you write good thing about you here, especially who you are and what you're planning for Samsung, so that it will help you in getting the approval from them. So in my case, I already have written. I'm just going to copy and paste in here. And once you have returned it from your end, you can click on by checking this box, you're agreeing to abide by specific terms and conditions for this program, and then you can click on join. So when you click on join, you will see this message: thanks, your request to join has been sent to the advertiser. You can click on OK. So now what's going to happen? You wait for the brand Samsung to review the application and give the approval to you. It may take anywhere between 1 week to 2 weeks of time because they're getting like too many applications. So it's better to give them up to 2 weeks of time, and you can wait for them to provide approval to you. And once the approval being given to you, you will get an email about it. You will also be able to find them within this join section. So you can come to advertisers, you can click on my programs directly, or just go to join programs and click on join, and you would be able to find them here. Once you get the approval, can you just promote them by directly taking any link from their website? No, it doesn't work like that. So once you get the approval, you can go to Toolbox. You can either use Link Builder to create your own tracking link, or you could go to My Creative and find tracking links for Samsung and start promoting them on your online presence for which you gotten the approval for. So that will be that online presence that you selected while you were applying to Samsung. So you can start promoting them on that specific online presence. So it could be a website, blog. Now, what about the social media account? So let's say you selected your website, you got the approval for the website, but for the same website, you have social media accounts. Can you promote Samsung on social media accounts? That's another question. Well, it depends on TNC. So when you download the TNC, you might want to read through it. And if it doesn't say anything about social media, like if doesn't tell you not to promote them on social media, then I guess it's fine to promote them on social media. Even if you have more questions, you can always reach out to them on the contact information that we show on the profile. You can also ask them for more, but it's safe to assume if you don't see about like if you see any close on the TNC about social media, not to promote them over there, then avoid doing that. So that's how you can start promoting them. Now, you started promoting them, you started generating sale and all. Where would you be able to see all that performance? You will be able to see within the report section. You can run all these reports to see how well you're performing. But how about getting the payment for that commission that you have been generating? So you will get the payment from Evan, but you have to ensure you have set up your payment methods on Evan platform properly. So for that, you can hover over account. You can go to payment details, which should take you to this page. First, you will see your tax details. I just have scrolled it down, and then you would be able to see your payment settings in here. So you can set it up. First, it starts with a payment frequency. You can decide whether you want to get the payment twice a month or on monthly basis, and then you can click on payment method. You can choose ACS, check, or international wire. If you choose international wire, you can even set up the pioneer as payment method. Totally depends on you. Depending on what you select, as you can see, these options gets updated, so you can just fill in the information accordingly depending on what payment method you choose. And then you can also decide the payment threshold. Let's say if you decide USD $20, Avan will only issue the payment to you once the accumulated commission in your Avan affiliate account exceed this amount. Otherwise, they will not issue the commission to you, and they will just wait for the commission to get equal to this or more than that. So this is how you can set up the payment for the programs who are operating in USD. Similar to that, there are programs who are operating in Euro. So you can click on add and you can set up the payment method for the programs, affiliate programs operating in Euro. That will be helpful to you. So let's say you set up the payment method, then what? Then you will start getting commission. Uh, that whatever you'll be generating through your efforts, through your traffic's effort, and that will be getting accumulated in your Avan account. You will start getting that per the payment method that you select here. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Samsung. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them using tracking links, and you bring sales to them, you start generating commission, and that's how you will get the payment from Avan. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Samsung. And in the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.